went out for his birthday. He wanted Chinese food. Look, Connor, eat your dumpling. And he got his sweet sour chicken and egg roll.
And I got my sushi.
Okay. He's dipping.
My mother's Spanish, Filipino. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, my blood pressure.
Even the restaurant's not that cold. Your mama's car was super cold, but outside super hot, huh? I had the AC pool blasting in my car. And Connor got egg drop soup with his, I put a bun for him. Go ahead and eat it, Connor. Push it closer to you, honey. It's easier.